Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this thin rip jig from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made by Jig Bead and it's made to work with your table saw in making precise thin cuts. So let's open it up, look at its contents, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, you have the work instructions, and I like how it's packaged in its very own case. It's a hard shell plastic case with foam and shadow box cutouts to fit all your pieces. So it's packaged very well, and it's a great case to keep everything organized. So you have the jig here. These will go on the slots of your table saw, and I'll demonstrate that in a moment. You can see here you have the measurements in millimeters and metrics and in inches. You have the adjustable bar here, and then a tightening down screw. Okay, this is made to fit 3/8 inch by 1/4 inch. These are made to fit 3/4 inch U-shaped slots, and these are made to make 3/4 inch T-slots. Okay, it has a couple of kip handles to tighten down into your table saw slots. You have an Allen wrench. You have this post on the end. This allows you to grip and slide the guide into your position. Okay, to use the 3/4 inch T-slots, you would just insert this into the back and then use your kip handle to tighten it up. And of course, these would fit into your table saw T-slot. Then you tighten those up. It has the stainless steel ball bearing roller on the end that would roll your piece of wood evenly measured into the blade. Then it has this mounting bar to use for 3/4 inch U-shaped type slots on your table saw. Okay, to use these will be mounted here where the tapered end is. Then place these into the holes of the guide, and then put your kip handles on. And then this would slide into your U-shaped slot on your table saw. So this is a marker that can be used to indicate your settings in inches. Just loosen it up, slide this left or right, and then tighten this little marker up. Same thing on the millimeter side. Okay, this table has a 3/4 inch T-slot, so I'll be using these. I'm going to put these in first. Slide the jig on the two screw posts. Use the post to screw that on the end. So now you can adjust this jig. So if we're going to be cutting this board, for example, right here, and that's the measurement you want between the blade and the board, the width. Just place your jig here, tighten it down, and then your board will roll freely up against this roller here. So very easy to adjust. So again, just determine your width of the small piece that you want to rip. Place your jig guide roller up against the piece, tighten the set screw, and you can note the millimeters or inches here. Might note this jig can be used on the left hand side or the right hand T-slots. So this is the perfect thin rip jig for your table saw and making very small, precise rip cuts. You have the adjustable guide here that's in inches or millimeters. You have kip handles to tighten down the T-slots, and it'll fit most table saws sizes. You have the stainless steel roller on the end. So I highly recommend this thin rip jig.